Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get deleted Excel files back, step by step. First, immediately check your computer's recycle bin. When you delete a file, it usually moves here, acting as a temporary holding area. Files typically stay for 30 days or until you manually empty the bin. To restore, simply open the recycle bin, locate your Excel file, right-click it, and select Restore. This action will return the file to its original folder, often resolving the issue quickly and easily. Next, explore your operating system's built-in recovery features, such as Windows File History or Mac OS Time Machine. These tools create regular backups of your files, allowing you to revert to an earlier state. For Windows, navigate to the folder where your Excel file was stored, right-click, and choose Restore Previous Versions. You can then browse through available versions and select the one containing your deleted document. This method is highly effective if you have these backup features enabled. Sometimes, Excel creates temporary files that might hold a copy of your work, especially if the program crashed or closed unexpectedly. These files often have a TMP extension or begin with a tilde symbol, like tilde. You can search your computer's temporary folders, typically found in your user profile's app data directory, for these hidden gems. While not guaranteed, finding a temporary file can sometimes provide a recent version of your deleted Excel document, saving hours of work. Finally, if the previous steps don't yield results, consider using dedicated data recovery software. These powerful tools can scan your hard drive for traces of deleted files, even after the recycle bin has been emptied. It is crucial to act quickly after deletion, as continued use of your computer can overwrite the deleted files data, making recovery more difficult. There are many reputable free and paid options available that can help you retrieve your important Excel documents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.